Hey quilters, welcome back to my channel. I have something really fun to share with you today. And I've totally already peeked inside this bag because I couldn't wait to unbox it with you. So sorry about that. I am Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. I share tips, tricks, and tutorials for the modern quilter. So if that is something that interests you and you say, oh my gosh, that's me, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, so let's get into today's unboxing, which is this gorgeously pink bag. This is why I didn't wait to open it, because I love this bag. I was already excited about the bag. I know. That's just the packaging, y'all. That's just the packaging. That's not even like the good stuff that's inside here. So let me preface this by saying this is a bag from Creative Notions, okay? I really like this subscription box. It's one of my favorites to get in the mail, and it has a project every single month for you to work on. It has everything in that project inside this bag for you to work on. And this one, it's a really good one. So right outside of the bag, we have this, which look at these colors, okay? Like completely different, like project aside, these colors and this fabric are phenomenal. And with this instruction booklet, it has step-by-step everything super detailed out and beautiful for you to follow to make the projects in this bag, okay? So it's not just your run-of-the-mill regular pattern, it's step-by-step. Everything is color-coded as well. So if you want to end up with this right here on the outside, they'll show you how to do it right there in the bag. Or right there in the instructions, not the bag. I'm pulling out the bag. I'm getting really excited. Oh! Look at all of this stuff that comes in this box. It's incredible. There is so much stuff here. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna start with the fabrics. And there's actually like, the fabric is being used as a padding for this right here, which, okay, I am a huge fan of the Creative Notions rulers. If you've watched some of my other unboxings, they have included a ruler with every single box that they have sent for a while now. And I am loving these rulers. They're incredible. This one is a Flying Geese square up ruler, but look at all of the marks on here. Like there are so many marks on here that would be really helpful. Another thing is their rulers are crystal clear. Like you can see straight through them. So it makes it really easy to line up when you're trying to like fussy cut fabric or make sure that you get exactly where you need to cut. They're crystal clear. The border around the outside is kind of a, not really like a sandpaper, but it does have a bit of a rough texture to it so that it's not going to slide around on your fabric while you're cutting it. These rulers are fantastic, and it's worth it to get the fabric and the rulers out of these boxes every single month if you subscribe. All the rest of it is like above and beyond delivering bonus stuff every single month. So what we have here is we get a recipe card with every single month, and they're submitted by subscribers. So you get a little bit of quilty goodness from the world in each box too. So this month is a bacon Brussels sprouts recipe. This is the April 2022 box. Let's go through and see what the total value of this box is, and then I'm gonna start showing you all the goodies inside the box, okay? The total value this month is $88. We're getting 8 fat quarters. We're getting a multi-size square up ruler for Flying Geese. We're getting a cross stitch kit. So much fun. I love little projects like that that aren't necessarily something that I would take on by myself, but I would totally take it on if it's being like gifted to me and it's something that is different and something to get out of a creative rut, right? Something just to try different. We're also getting a jewel block weather vane quilt pattern, quilting shortcuts, tips and tricks, Flying Geese, a binder cover, table runner pattern, plus 2 yards of woven ribbon. So $88 total. This is what you pay for it if you're in the US. They do ship internationally, but shipping prices are different, okay? But good news is they do ship internationally. So if you're watching this and you want this box, go ahead, check out the link down below to get to Creative Notions website, and you can see what the cost is in your area and see if you can get this box. Moving on, this is what made me so excited when I opened this, and I thought, oh man, I am in love with this. Look at this weather vane picnic quilt. Look at this. Isn't that just, doesn't that look like me? I love, love, love this. The instructions are super detailed. The pattern, okay, it matches the fabrics that we are sent. Another thing that we got is this Quilting Shortcuts, Tips and Tricks Flying Geese Methods. So it's going to show you step by step how to make these flying geese and how to do them easily using the ruler that was also included. This ruler right here, okay? So it's gonna show you how to use this ruler and you're gonna get proper instructions on the right way to do it. Now, let's take a look at this gorgeous, gorgeous fabric. How fun are these colors? I really, really just, I adore them. And the beauty in the fabric, the florals, this is really giving me some like happy summer vibes here with this. And I am excited to sew this quilt because, like I said, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous pattern. All right, let's look at some of the other stuff we got in here. You saw that it mentioned the cross stitch set, okay? The cross stitch stuff. This is what they have. We have everything included in this Ziploc baggie here. But we have the embroidery floss, right? We have the little cards to wind it up on. We have the cross stitch paper, okay? And we have, or I guess fabric, it's not really paper. And then we have the pattern too, as well as instructions on how to make this. So this beautiful little pattern here that says grateful is actually goes on the front of a binder. So it's a binder cover is what we're making as well, okay? So you have the pattern and everything in here, which includes the flying geese. Like I'm telling you, this box is really, really fun. I love the theming of every single box. So it has the flying geese on the pattern right there, and it has your beautiful cross stitch piece there as well. Okay, last thing that's included in here. Ooh, how fun are these? Okay, I'm gonna pull this out so you can see it a little bit better. But these little pop-up kits. So these are really, I have never actually made these. So here's what's on the back of that card. And it just gives you an idea of the different ways that you could take this pattern and make it. You can make these little like thread catcher baskets. You can make actual like baskets. You can make, here's like wind socks and things that you can do. All with the same basic materials, right? And we have the wire, we have the elastic, and we have a couple little cute like ribbon tags that you can do too, which is really fun. Several different projects, several different ways you could take this. Really, like you can't go wrong. There's just so much fun packed into this beautiful pink sack. And I know y'all get different colors every single month. Like I happened to get a pink one this time and I really like that. So that's it for the April 2022 Creative Notions box. I am very excited to share it with you and let you see a little bit more on the inside of what you get, because I know subscription boxes are kind of hard, right? You don't know what you're getting. You're not entirely sure if the value is there, if you're gonna like the fabrics that are sent. So that's why I do these unboxings, so you can see and you can get an idea over, you know, several months, like if this box is the right one for you, and if you wanna subscribe to it, if it's the right price point, what your budget can allow. I'm never disappointed with the Creative Notions boxes. I love them so much. So if this is a box that you're interested in, again, make sure you check out the links in the description box down below. I've got a link right to the Creative Notions website where you can subscribe and see what the shipping is to your country. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. You can write them down in the comments down below and I'll get back with you. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you have a wonderful day and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.